Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is new 60 GHz upgrade for optical sampling oscilloscope. The new upgrade adds a 60 GHz optical sampling oscilloscope function to support a faster data transmission rate per lane for data center and AI network applications. Anritsu Corporation has released a new upgrade for its BERT Wave MP2110A optical testing equipment platform. The option, called MP2110A080, adds a 60 GHz optical sampling oscilloscope function to the system. It is designed to check 200G gigabits per lane optical transceivers used in 800G gigabits and 1.6T networks that support data center and AI applications. Optical communication is moving from 100G gigabits per lane to 200G gigabits per lane. At 100G gigabits, each channel carries 100 gigabits of data per second. At 200G gigabits, that doubles. When multiple lanes are combined, overall speeds can reach 800 gigabits or even 1.6 terabits per second. This growth demands wider band test tools that can capture signals at higher speeds and confirm whether new transceivers work reliably. The MP2110A080 option enables testing of PAM4 signals up to 120G gigabits baud. This supports accurate TDEC measurements, which are required to judge the clarity and reliability of high-speed optical signals. Efficiency improves with 4-channel measurement, allowing multiple signals to be checked at the same time. Faster sampling, combined with a built-in PC, shortens overall testing time and supports stable operation in both development and production. The upgrade can be introduced in 2-channel form, with a software path to expand to 4 channels. This helps companies manage cost while keeping future scaling open. Key features: high-accuracy PAM4 pulse amplitude modulation, 4-level TDEC transmitter dispersion eye closure quaternary measurement. Simultaneous 4-channel testing. Faster measurement speed. Built-in PC for stable operation. Flexible 2-channel to 4-channel upgrade. The new option was first shown at the China International Optoelectronic Exposition in September 2025. It will also be presented at the European Conference on Optical Communication in Copenhagen from the 29th of September to the 1st of October 2025. Both events highlight the move to faster optical standards as data center traffic and AI workloads continue to rise. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write @ Electronics Technology 50.